Well guys, I gotta tell you, I am in love, and I don't care who knows it, with Terra Firma's carpet for my R32 GTR. You can see in the rear here that I've definitely got the height that I need. They did a much better job cutting that to size on either side, and this one's actually quite a bit longer, so that's gonna fit good. I've already measured it all out. Only thing I cut was this right here, just for the transmission tunnel. It was a little long, and I noticed that on the other one after I'd installed it, it was kind of bunching up, so I just cut a little bit of it out. It's still a few inches longer than the stock carpet, but I'm gonna slip that in, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's all put together. I won't waste time showing you how to install it, because pretty much already done that. All right, finally got the nasty, ugly Berber style carpet out that came from the factory. Alright, and this fits pretty much perfect, just like stock did. Around these little bolt holes, carpet connector for the floor carpet. See how it looks underneath. It's pretty good over like all the piping and stuff in here. Seat bolt hole looks good against the console. So it's really form-fitting. A little bit of trimming and stuff that has to go in, but man, it looks good. This is the passenger side, so along the rail you can see what it looks like. And underneath here, I used, I should have done a video of it, but I stapled the plastic trim that was on the factory carpet. This is the factory carpet, and I removed those plastic pieces that were stapled here and installed them to hold the carpet in for the new set. Holds it up to the rail. I just took the staples out and restapled it on here to hold the carpet up, so when you push down on it, it's not going to ever move. And the only place I messed up with the whole install was right along the fuel latch. I cut too much out, so I gotta glue this part in. You can't really tell, but I'm gonna glue that part down so you can't see that it's been cut. When installing this carpet kit, there is a lot of picking of the hole. So like this hole right here, see if I can get it. So that's for the top screw hole for the dead pedal. And then to find the next one, there's a lot of time that you're spent feeling and then picking through the carpet with a pick tool to make sure you're not overcutting to where you're gonna have something exposed. So it's very time consuming when you have to go through every little screw hole and every facet, like the carpet and the carpet holder for the floor mats. Every single little hole for the seat brackets, of course. One over there. The ones underneath on the back side of the seat. And as far as what you can expect to remove from the carpet, this is everything that was cut off. So along the sides, underneath the trim, all little pieces along the footboard. I'd recommend cutting out each hole for the car with the carpet inside the car. Use the pick tool like with what I showed you. Go hole by hole, cut it inside the car to make sure you don't make any mistakes. Otherwise, you're gonna be pretty upset if you screw up. So yeah. This job with removal and disassembling the dash and putting everything back together, including the electronics and stuff. Count this job, plan on about 10 hours for removal, installation, cutting everything out, reassembling the car all back together. About a 10-hour job. Goodbye old carpet. This job is done. Well, I gotta apologize guys. I was hoping to get more footage of me actually doing the install on this car, but I was just frustrated with how long and how much time time it's taken me to get to this point, so I just pretty much rushed through the install myself without trying to film it because I could get the project done quicker. So hope you liked this video. At least you guys, if you're curious to see what your R32 interior could look like with the TFA Terra Firma carpet, it looks freaking awesome. So makes the car look a lot newer, more like the R33 or the R34's modern nylon interior instead of that nasty ugly carpet over there. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, let me know what you think of the carpet, and if you're new, consider subscribing to the channel. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers, so I'd appreciate the help. Thanks guys, see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.